Hi everyone, my name's Jayden from Off Grid Outfitters. Today I'm going to do a quick setup and pack down of the new PCOR Hexocore Awning. So let's get started. So to start with, once it's all down and latched in, just using the anti-vibration, you just want to pull that in, lift up, start from either side. So once you've undone both of them, just want to push up from the middle. If you've got a second person to help you out, you can do one side each. If not, if you're by yourself, usually bring that down, put a little bit of body weight just on there to lift it up and just to lock it in. And then same for the other side. A little bit of body weight just to pull that up. Once you've done that and locked in, just start with the zipper. Always just start from the back. Bring it the whole way along. Once you've got that, you can just lift that straight over. Get it out of the way. Once you've got it like that, just the 3 straps. And they'll just roll straight out. Just like that. First thing, just getting your strap up the top there. Loosen that off. Once you've loosened that off, you got your first 4 arms here. So you just want to walk them around, slowly just start to drop them off. If it is a little bit windy, I will get someone else to try and hold the awning up to take a bit of the weight. As we're in here and there's no wind, I'll just let it hang. First things first, you'll get this rear bar that is attached inside the actual awning arm. So you just bring that down. It always helps if you've got the rear wheel already open and out of the way. So with this rear bar, just push in that spare wheel. Or you just sit it in, give it a little push up the top, just to straighten it up, drop it down. Once you've got that nice in there, then just bring that spare wheel back around again, just to lock that in place. So once you've done that, then you'll just start going around with the first pole here. So swing it down, start from the bottom, lock it down, and just tighten it into place. Don't try and over tighten it. Just a nice firm grip on that one, and keep working your way around. Lock that in. If it is really windy, I usually try and peg this side first while you still have this already locked away, just to make sure that's nice and secure, it's not going to blow over or anything like that. So once you've pegged that down, then you'll start by loosening off this one. Bring that one around, bring it underneath. Then you'll slowly, same thing, if it is windy and you've got a second person, I'll get them to hold that up, take a bit of weight off it. Then in here, you'll just take this guy rope that's in the corner. You'll take that out, fold it down. This one here attaches to your jockey wheel, just to give you an extra set of hands. So while you've done that, that awning will stay there and will hold in place. Then the same thing, start with the first pole, lock that down, just a nice firm grip. Same with that one there. Once you've done that, same thing, I'll get you to tie that one down. You can either peg down the footholes that are at the bottom here, try and get one in there, and then you've also got a guy rope in each corner here. For each pole, you'll have a guy rope there. So try and peg that down, get that nice and secure if you can. And then once you've gone that, you do have one spreader bar just along the middle here, which is located just behind your awning. So with that one there, if you can see, just located behind here, nice and secure in there. Loosen that one off, that just drops. Then with that, there's just 2 little holes just in here, in that one. Loosen that one off, straight in the other side, just push to extend, and same thing, just lock it into place. Then you've got this little Velcro strap here, just to strap the awning to the pole, stop it from flapping about. There you go, locked into place. With that one as well, if it is raining, you do have a couple of guy ropes in the middle as well, which you can make little rain chutes. as well. And if it is raining, it is recommended that you do take your spreader bar out, and then you can use your rain chute on this side here. Same as well, if it is raining, try and do the poles at different heights as well, so the rain doesn't pull in any of the areas, so you can have nice little runoffs all the way around. And then once you've got that, you do have your light in the awning as well. So it is the nice PCOR green yellow. So it is just the bottom strip on that one. With that one as well, you can dim it. So just press and hold. You can dim it. Same thing, just to your liking. Then if you want to turn it off again, just a tap on that one as well. So once you've got that all nice and set up, you're done, you're ready to head off again. Same thing, you just do pretty much what you did, you just do it in reverse. So we'll start off with that spreader bar. Usually if you've got everything tied down and everything, just make sure you do that spreader bar first. Then you just get that into place. So same thing, there's just 2 little brackets just behind your awning. So you just extend that into the 2 brackets and lock that into place, and then that's not going to go anywhere. So then once you've done that, same thing, if you have tied this side down first, undo all that, put the guy ropes back in their little pockets in the corner, and then you just start from your first pole. Same with that, just try and get these little parts straight, and then they just magnet straight in. And then once you've done that, your little second hand here, just undo that, bring it around. Same again, if it is windy, try and get it to hold it up off the hinge. Just wrap it around your hand a few times, and then you can just stuff that back in that Velcro corner again, just so it's nice and out of the way. Once you've got that, these 3 arms here, you'll just want to grab them, just take it underneath the awning again. So you just want to bring it underneath, and then same with that strap again, just wrap it around with that one there. And you just want to do it up a little bit, just to give yourself that extra clearance when you're bringing around that top part as well. So you can leave it like that, and we'll get back to that shortly. Same thing, undo if you've done all the guy ropes, undo all them, and then start with this pole. So then once you've done that, same again, just with your spare wheel, all you have to do is just give it a little push in, and then you can just lift that straight up and over. And I always say to people, you can just carry this, walk it around like a flag bearer, pretend you're in the Olympics. Same thing, that just folds up and away, magnets in. Bring those 4 arms up and over. So with the 3 straps that you've got in the middle here, you can either start from the furthest one and throw them over the awning, or you can actually throw it straight over the awning itself, just to get them out of the way. You just want to make sure that they're nice and out of the way before you do the awning up, or otherwise you're going to have a lot of trouble trying to strap that up afterwards. So just get them in, try and make sure they're all in a straight line of each other. Then you just want to tighten that one up. And then as said before, with this one here, then you just want to tighten that one up as well, which you've all done. So then once you've got that, you've got your 3 straps, everything's all here, give it a little brush off just in case there's any debris, anything like that. So then I always just start from the bottom right corner. There's a lot of different ways how you can do it. This is how I do it. Starting from that bottom corner, just get those straps out of the way. If you do have a second person, it is definitely a lot easier. Then you can start from that middle corner there, roll to there, and then just keep going up. If you're doing it by yourself, I usually just start from the middle one. So once you've done that one, then you just have that extra set of hands holding it all up out of the way. So once you've got that, then you can just start on this one. Get that in there. Tighten that one up. You can do these ones pretty tight on these ones. You do want to get it nice and over. Same with them. As always with these, the best you roll it, the more room you're going to have in the bag to zip it up. So always try and do the best roll you can do. There you go, you've tightened it all up. Then you just flip the bag straight over. Around. Do the other one there. And then same again, you just want to make sure you bring that zipper from the front, just bring it back to the back again. Same again, always, if there is a little bit of hanging down, I'll try and punch it up a little bit, just to get that all out of the way, give yourself a nice easy zip. And then with this stuff as well, you can always just fold that up and in, get that all out of the way, zipper straight up to the top. And then once you've done that, then you can just loosen up your brackets. So same thing, a little bit of weight up there, and then they just come straight on out. Let's go to the other one. Straight on out. So if you've got a second person, you can drop it down at the same time. Otherwise, you can just drop it down one side at a time. Once you drop that down, just have that latch in. Do the other side. Dropping that down there as well, just making sure you're not getting any of the cabling stuck inside the actual awning. And same thing, just wire that, just do that latch up there. So always making sure that with these latches, just making sure you've got that weld on that latch just facing to the outside of the trailer. Just for the weight of the actual awning, and when you are going on corrugated roads, anything like that, when there is a bit of bumping, it is swaying to there and it's not going to break or ruin these latches. So always just make sure that that weld is just facing to the outside. And same with that side as well, all perfect. There you go, so that's it. So that's how you do a setup and a pack down of the new PCOR awning. Hope you all enjoyed. If you have any more questions, just put in the comments below. If you need anything else, we can do some more videos for that. Cheers guys.